people of the internet. This time Huawei Mate 20 Pro. This is the European version with the extra something here. A gift from Huawei. Let's open it. Should be good. Let's start with the extra box and do the phone later. This is the extra box. How do I open it? There's the seal there. I have to cut it. And now the big reveal. What's inside? Come on. Oh. Very nice structure. Look at the structure. Very nice. Very nice presentation. This is the brand spanking new device. It's a new micro SD card. No, sorry. It's a nano SD card. Macro is bigger. This is the nano SD card. Brand new thing from Huawei. Only Huawei making those cards. Nano SIM. Yeah, this is how it's called. I think. Huawei NM card. Memory card. Ultra compact. Oh, let me show you the back. Pause the video if you want to read this. It's very small. Some warranty, a huge book. Warranty cards. Let's put it back. We have a cable. It's a USB Type-C cable. It's a QR code. Pause the video if you want to scan it. And the charger itself, which is pretty small, look, compared to the hand. Let's see what's on the back. Made in China. Charger. Anything else? That's it. Nothing else. Let's go to the phone. Let's do the phone now. Yes. Would you look at this? Black version. You can see it's black. Very clean. Put it aside. Let's see what's inside the box. Accessories. So email and QR code. Pause the video if you want to scan it. What else we have here? We have a SIM card tool. Huge manual. It's humongous. No one will read it. No one. Maybe someone somewhere. I don't think so. And no, why this is dirty? Very strange. And what do we have here? We have a USB Type-C cable in white. QR code. Pause the video if you want to scan it. And headphones. Earbuds, yeah, earbuds. I will not use them. I use better earbuds from Klipsch company. It's the USB Type-C version. USB Type-C to headphone jack converter. And the huge brick just charger. This is the new charger, 40 watts charger. It's huge. See, max 40 watts. It's humongous and it's heavy. Let me compare it to the normal Samsung charger. This is the normal Samsung charger. Look, it's humongous. Come on, guys, this is huge and very heavy. Twice the weight of this one. Yep. Okay. Let's put this aside. Let's see the phone itself. Would you look at this? We have a IR blaster here, microphone. Nothing on this side. USB Type-C, SIM card tray, 2 microphones. The speaker is behind the USB Type-C port. Red power button and volume button, only one. And that's the Leica. This is the Leica camera and flash. Okay, let's power this on, and I forgot to show you huge notch. It's not that huge, not like in the Pixel 3. Let's turn it on. Let's set it to English. Get started. The screen looks nice. I must say, it's looking better than the Galaxy. Skip. Let's skip this. Android device. Next. Later. Let's do this later. Skip. More. Accept. Skip. No thanks. Yes. And there it is. The main screen. God damn, it is looking nice. Look at this in close-up. There's one thing I don't like in this phone. You know what this is? Notch. I don't like the notch, but you can turn it off. Turn it off. Let's go to the setting. Display. More display setting, notch, and you can do it like this. You see? Now it's like this. I think now it's looking also cool, but you notice the screen doesn't turn off completely. We have here the time, battery life, and notifications. You see? What if you go to the... Oh, see, it's pretty good. But what I do, I leave with the notch on. Again, display, more display setting, notch, turn notch. Yes. Oh, it is fast. Come on, we didn't install anything right now. I have to install some apps, a lot of apps, and we will check how good it is. So that was just a unboxing. Let me open the SIM card tray. That was just an unboxing. The full review will be in the next video. Let me... There it is. Do I press it here? Yes. Don't press it here. This is the microphone. Press in the tray. Right there. Not here. In there. Whoop. You can see we have a rubber seal there. See? This is for the water protection. And we have the macro SIM here, and the nano SIM on the other side. Or you can do the 2 SIM cards, because this is the dual SIM card phone. one SIM card on the one side and another on the other side. Very strange design. So it's a hybrid, not a full thing. Yeah, let's put it back. Very tight. Oh, look at the screen. God damn. It is nice. Let's test the fingerprint sensor. Oh, I want to do something more in this video, not just the unboxing. Fingerprint sensor. Pin. Wait. Okay, now. Well, it's not that slow like everyone says. It's like in a Samsung phone. Same freaking edges. Okay. Yes. Success. Now let's turn it off. And it's on. Look how quick it is. You don't have to press here. You just press it here. Yes? Yes. Look. You know what? I want to use one hand. You have to be accurate. Now you can see where it is, but when it's turned off, you can see the small thing. Look. Yeah, it's not bad. You have to train this to be accurate. It's somewhere there. You see? Not bad. It's not super slow. Come on. Let's say we have a phone, and then we want to unlock it. Damn. Very good. Very good. What else I can show you? The face recognition. Let's do it quick, because this video is already too freaking long. There's the face recognition. Do the pin. Okay. Okay, I need to do it without the camera. It's a 3D face recognition. So let's check it out. And I need to slide. Well, don't like it. It's unlocked, but I need to slide. So look. The face recognition is very fast. It is extremely fast, because now I'm filming my chin, not my face, with the phone. With this phone, this phone is hitting my chin, so it's very nice. What if I put the chin behind the camera, behind the recording camera? Nothing. Let's go back a little bit. What? Nothing. So I'm going to hit again. Now it's open. But I have to swipe it. I don't like. I like this one. Damn, this is good. What else? I think that's it for this video. I will make another huge video about the camera and software and stability and everything. So stay tuned for the next video. Now let's closer look to the very fine black, come on camera, version of this phone. Black Mamba. Optimized. And no, it's turned off itself. Turn on itself, sorry. Thanks for watching. This is good. Yes, this is good. And goodbye. See you next video.